So now we are going to Petaling Street, Chinatown. It's a famous shopping street, and we have heard that you get all the affordable clothes, and from perfume to jewelry, belts, wallets, men's fashion, women's fashion, trendy clothes,
And most important, food.
and we love to explore Chinatown only because of the food. But this Petaling Street seems to be good with shopping as well. So
Let's explore.
This market stays open from 10 a.m. till 9 p.m. daily. It's quite a colorful street and always crowded.
this is Chinatown Street. It's just open, and some of the shops are still opening up. You get all the counterfeit products.
And also you will get nice, cheap
Yes.
and good products. So there are two shops inside the street.
Oh, interesting.
Yes.
Name of this shop is Q Pocket, and they have a great collection of toys that are so in trend right now, like Stitch, Labubus, and popular action figures, and many more cute little fascinating things that you can shop for yourself or your friends back home. You will also come across a big store of Panda Eyes, which is also quite an affordable store with quality products. This area is popular for small vendors selling replicas of most things, electronics, designer apparels and accessories, shoes, etc. Be ready to haggle.
So don't shy away to bargain in this market. Already expecting you to bargain. So you can bargain. And if you are expert in bargaining, then it's much more better, because then you will land up into a good deal and price what they are offering.
Look at these dresses.
Yeah, from bags, jewelry, shoes, belts, everything you will get. And the shops also have trendy clothes, which I like the trendy French style or Chinese style. This is so in trend right now. Malaysian print. In Malaysia, they do it hand printed, and this is called batik. For your relatives or for yourself as well as a souvenir to wear. Batik print is one of the things you can take as a memory from your visit in Malaysia. They have good amount of accessories, and they are all trending. I think they are anti-tarnish jewelry, and they are selling it for a very good price. And you get a model of Petronas stars also, which we saw yesterday in Petronas gift shop. Let's see how much they cost. The price is not written, and the shopkeeper is also not available. Maybe next time.
We came across lots of different stalls selling almost everything, with quite a few selling fake top branded items. Great to look around as there are plenty of stalls to look at.
First copy of Prada, Louis Vuitton, and perfumes, luxurious perfumes, Chanel, Coach, wallets you will get here. There are counterfeit.
Remember to haggle and not believe a word you are told from the sellers.
If you have shopped too much from Malaysia, you can come to Chinatown and get big bags to return home. Stuff in our shop.
Tattoo.
Look at that. How happy he is on the chest.
There are multiple tattoo shops in Chinatown. So right now we are in Petaling Street, night shopping hub for people who love shopping. There are music, and I think there are some construction going on. Some of the portion of the street is closed.
one good thing of this Chinatown in Malaysia is that you get much amount of men's fashion as well, because most of this affordable clothing streets does not really have men's clothing most of the time, and I end up shopping and Ross does not shop.
Yeah. So now I will try to get something for myself.
So this was Chinatown for you guys, and we loved exploring. Though we did not shop anything, but we are surely coming back to a shop
Yes.
next time.
As most part of the Petaling Street is under construction, we finished exploring the market pretty quick and headed to explore other parts of Chinatown. As we were exploring the streets of Chinatown, we came across a short performance by locals. This performance had a sense of fusion, reminding us how Malaysia is a beautiful blend of cultures and Kuala Lumpur itself is a true multicultural city. We explored some street art of Chinatown on our way, and if you have not already watched our vlog made on street arts of Chinatown, do check it out, as it was great exploring the hidden street art in Kuala Lumpur, Kwai Chai Hong. As it gets darker, the street of Chinatown comes alive with food stalls and music, lights, and vibrant colors. Restaurants open up, fills the air into a fusion of mouth-watering aroma. It gets busier as the time goes by. This night market opens on weekends and starts at 6 p.m., stays till 1 a.m.
So we are at Chinatown having our dinner, and we have ordered this special chicken pot rice, which was looking delicious, and I think it is the best decision to try out this chicken pot rice for dinner on our second day here.
Chicken and pork together. Let's try. It's delicious.
This is my first bite. Let's see how it tastes. It's sweet and spicy, full of flavors, and it has this charred rice at the bottom, which tastes fantastic.
We thank you for staying till the end with us, and if you have enjoyed watching this vlog, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye.